Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to another episode of Fishing for Life 93. And today's an exciting day. We recently picked up an Old Town PDL 120 from Jason Brock, one of the ambassadors of Kayak Bass Canada. Last weekend, we were out testing it just close by, just for an hour here and there for 2 days, just to see how we like it and how we're going to set it up. And boy, is it ever a game changer. So we're going to load the car up, get ready. We got about almost a 2-hour drive to get to our location. We got Randy from Fishing With You that's going to be joining us today. They're calling for high winds to up to 35 with the gust, so we're going to see how this kayak handles the high winds. So with further ado, let's get on the water and let's see what we can catch today. Cheers. Is that shifting over or is that sitting in one spot? Alright, we are on the water. Alrighty, just making sure everything is good. We are on a new kayak. We got the Old Town PDL 120 from my good buddy Jason. And boy, is she an awesome kayak. Hands free. Today we're gonna go out about 7:15, maybe about 7:30, 7:20, and we're gonna see how many species of fish we can catch today. We're gonna start off. The winds are pretty high right now. A nice, beautiful fall morning with high winds. So we tied on the heavier head for the underspin, in case if we get shifted over too quick, and see if we can't get any fish today. We have a couple other kayak anglers that are joining us today, and yeah, so hopefully everyone has a good day on the water. The bait fish, you'll find the bigger fish. Just like that. Fish number one. Nice little guy. Inhaled. Completely inhaled the underspin. Like gone. There we go, buddy. Not a big one, but a nice one off to start the morning. Nice and healthy fish. Right on that pause. That's a good sign. Now where's Big Mama? Oh, right on the cast, baby. It's a bass. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Come here. Since our front camera's, you know, acting up, we're just gonna have to look back at the back camera. All right, back in you go, girl. There we go. Dude, this one feels nice. Oh no. Bro, he's gonna be wrapped around a tree. Dude, he's gonna be wrapped around this fucking tree. Shit. Yeah. I gotta get him out of this tree, bro. Oh no. I'm gonna boat flip. I'm just gonna, I don't want to break him off. Dude, he has me wrapped in this friggin' tree underneath me, dude. I seen him come right in too.
Is it still wrapped?
Yeah. Oh, dude, he's buried me in this fucking... I don't know if he's even on anymore or not.
You need help?
I don't know if he's on or if I'm just... Now that he's... Yeah, I feel shakes. I don't know how I'm gonna get him out of this big ass stump. Oh, he's still on, he's still on. Oh, come on. Yes, I got him out. I got him out of the tree. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's friggin' go. This is what I'm talking about. Come here, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo! This is why you want them out of the tree. Great Lake finesse strikes again. Oh my lord. Yes. This is like a 18-inch bass. All right. Well, we're gonna see if we can get a good photo with this camera right now. Look at the size of this friggin' pig. What a healthy looking fish. Back in you go, beautiful. And off she goes. I think we figured out a pattern that more or less in the middle of the lake, and it has been paying off. Whew. This is, I was saying, that grinding it out in high winds, search for those monsters, always pays off. Hell yeah. Not gonna believe, just put on the bluegill chatterbait and pulled out this big slab. All right, everyone, just finished packing everything up, just finished unloading. Forgot we didn't do our outro, so we're gonna be doing it in the dark. We thought we did it before we left, but we didn't. So a little recap of the day. The PDL Old Town 120 held up amazingly in the high winds. The bite was very tough, very slow at times, but we stuck it out. We grinded it out for an 8-hour day, and we got on some nice bass, a little pike, and that nice big crappie that hit my chatterbait. Other than that bass that got me stuck in the trees that I thought I was going to lose, but we got him out of the trees in a nice 18 1/4. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Jason, for the kayak. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Cheers.